Aloha. This is my 2005 185 horsepower SeaDoo GTX Limited. It has a power front lift system on it. I started refinishing the trailer frame. There's the battery for the power lift. And that's what it looks like. I have a brand new life vest, never been used. It's for medium size, about 150 pounds. I have 2 sets of neoprene booties, size 10.5 to 11, extra wide. I have a Garmin GPS map 78SC. I have lots of extra stuff. I have 4-pin wiring, I have 7-pin wiring. This storage container is full of tow ropes, hoses to wash it off, medical supplies, safety gear, potted water, all kinds of stuff that would help you if you got in trouble. This is the rear storage compartment that has a spot for your extra spark plugs. Here's the salt away dispenser with quick connect. This goes to my trickle charger so that when you bring it back home, you can just plug it in using just the back seat you need to remove. Here's the supercharged engine. Here is the front storage area, the gas tank. Here is the storage area with the caddy installed. Here's the dash with the speedometer and all the electronic modes that it has. Here's the rear storage back in place. This is the storage compartment on the dash. This is where the GPS goes. There's 2 keys, 1 expert and 1 beginner. Here's where you can select the different modes and settings. Here's a better look at the dash. Here's what it sounds like when you start it. And that's about it. And finally, with the premium car cover installed. Thank you and aloha.